Hello everyone, this is Hannah from TaxDome. Today I'll show you the new feature called linking notes to tasks. Linking notes to tasks helps you to ensure that all important data is available on hand. Let's say you have an information on a client's bank account stored inside account notes. You can link this note to reconcile accounts task. To do that, click the plus new button from the left sidebar. Select Task from the slide-out menu. Fill in the fields. Then click the Link Account Notes link at the top of the task creation. Or you can also do this when you're editing the task. Choose the note. You can link any notes that were previously created for the client's account. One task may have any number of linked notes. Let us click back. Since notes are account specific, you cannot access this option if you're creating a task for 2 or more accounts. Once notes are linked, you can see them in the Account Notes section. And you can just simply click the cross icon to unlink unnecessary notes. Once everything is all set, simply click the Create Task button. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.